Based on the most recent analysis, the Social Security trust funds are projected to become insolvent by 2034, 1 year earlier than previously estimated. Now the rush is on by Congress to find ways to keep them going. Two senators from opposing parties have come together to work on a proposal they say could rescue Social Security. Capitol Hill correspondent Erik Rosales joins us with the latest. Erik, good evening.
Well, good evening, Monse. Yes, it is incredible to think that Social Security is expected to run out of money in the next 8 to 10 years. Senator Bill Cassidy of Louisiana and Senator Tim Kaine, a Democrat from Virginia, well, they've come up with a new proposal to create an investment fund to keep Social Security benefits going strong.
We set up an investment fund separate from the Social Security Trust Fund, put $1.5 trillion in it, invested in the stock market and real estate just like you would your 401k, and use that money to help bail out Social Security.
Senator Cassidy says the plan is for an investment fund would run parallel with the current trust fund, not replace it. The senator says the Treasury would have to temporarily provide benefits while the funds grow for 75 years. Eventually, there would be enough new money to pay it back. Some say it's too risky to invest a ton of money into the stock market.
And you're gambling that the return you get in the stock market is greater than the interest that you have to pay on the money you borrow. If it were that easy, everybody would do it.
Some economists say state and municipal pension systems have attempted similar maneuvers, and in many cases, the financial markets have turned against them. But if nothing is done, recipients would see a 24% drop in payment amounts until it runs out.
I'm concerned about the solvency of Medicare, of Social Security, and I think that that's something where there are good proposals out there that can be able to lift the cap in terms of what incomes pay into Social Security, that make it solvent for decades to come.
Because they see it as the most vulnerable area for politicians because it's exploited so easily. It's easier to describe how you're ruining Social Security than it is to describe how you're going to save Social Security. And Dr. Cassidy has both the intellect and the communication skills to do that.
Senator Cynthia Lummis tells me any attempt to solve Social Security must be bipartisan.
We've got to get around to it because the longer we wait, and we've really waited too long already, but as we put it off even longer, the pain is going to be really serious.
And just today, I did speak with Republican leaders, and they are talking about a new reconciliation bill this fall that could include entitlement programs like Social Security reform. Right now, those proposals are still being written up, but I'll stay on top of it. Monse?
Well, Erik, switching gears, you're also following a Senate bill that would ban stock trades by members of Congress. The president and vice president, what's the latest with that?
Well, that is correct. Yeah, the bill, which was introduced by Senator Josh Hawley, did pass a Senate committee this week. Now, despite opposition from all Republicans on the panel, President Trump was also not pleased about this passing. He called Senator Hawley a second-tier senator for aligning with Democrats on the vote. Most Republicans are against the bill. They're saying that this is just another attempt to target President Trump and his investments. But other Republicans, well, they're for the idea.
I'm always amazed at Wall Street, how they stay a step ahead of us as well, the people that work on Wall Street. But it's not fair to the rest of the Americans. I do think that it's been abused up here very much in favor of stopping our families from trading stocks.
It's still not known when or if the full Senate will vote on the measure, but now that it's passed a committee, it does show that the idea of banning lawmakers from trading stock is gaining momentum. As we know, a lot of news was made with with Democratic Representative Nancy Pelosi and the millions that she made.